Hello, and welcome
Welcome
to
back to
Ultima
Product
News,
Critique,
your
your
source
go-to
for
channel
detailed
for honest
insights
reviews
into
and
groundbreaking
recommendations.
medical advancements.
Today, we have an
we
exciting
delve into
product
a
that's
historic
perfect
event
for
at
adding some
Massachusetts
spooky
General
fun to your
Hospital,
Halloween
the
celebrations.
first pig kidney transplant
Get
in a
ready to
human
discover the
patient,
best pumpkin
Richard
faces
Slayman.
available in the market with the
Unfortunately, Mr. Slayman has passed
SWARKOL 80
away,
packs
but not
Halloween
due to the
pumpkin decorating
transplant
kit.
itself. Let's explore
Halloween is
how
just
this
around the
pioneering
corner, and if you're
procedure
looking
was
for a
carried out.
creative and
The
hassle-free way
procedure
to
took
decorate
place
your
under an
pumpkins,
FDA
then you're in for a
compassionate use
treat.
protocol, a
The
decision driven by the critical
SWARKOL
shortage of
pumpkin
human
decorating
organs
kit
for
offers 80 packs of
transplantation.
Halloween pumpkin decorating
Despite the
stickers,
tragic
allowing
outcome,
you to
the
create
initial
80 unique
results were
pumpkin faces
promising.
with ease.
First, the
Let's
pig
delve
kidney
into what makes
underwent
this kit stand
significant
out.
genetic
Each
modifications
pack includes
using
40
CRISPR
sheets of Halloween
technology.
pumpkin decorating
This wasn't
stickers,
just any
with
pig
each sheet
kidney.
capable
The
of creating
genetic
2
structure
pumpkin
was altered
faces.
significantly to
That's a
reduce
total
the
of
risk
80
of
Halloween
human immune
pumpkin
rejection.
decorating faces ready to bring
3
some
pig
festive
genes
cheer
known
to your
to
home.
cause immediate rejection were
With 20
removed.
different designs
7
to
human
choose from,
genes were
you'll have
added, and
endless
certain
options to
viral
mix and
genes were
match,
reactivated.
ensuring that each
In
pumpkin is
total,
truly unique.
69 genetic changes
Plus,
were made to
the
make
sheet
pig
size is
kidney
just
more
right at 4
compatible
inches
with human
x 6,
bodies.
making it perfect for small to
Richard Slayman,
medium-sized
at
pumpkins,
62 years old,
typically
had
ranging from
battled
5 to 8
end-stage
inches in
kidney
diameter.
disease, diabetes, and
What's more,
hypertension.
these stickers are made of
After a previous human
high-quality,
kidney
waterproof
transplant
material,
failed, his
ensuring that
options
they
were
stay
limited,
securely
making
in
him a
place on your
candidate for
pumpkins,
this
even in
experimental
outdoor
transplant.
settings.
During the
No
surgery,
more
the
worrying about your
genetically
pumpkin
modified
decorations
pig
getting
kidney
ruined
was
by rain or
connected to
moisture.
Mr. Slayman's circulatory
Now, let's
system,
talk about how
ensuring
versatile
it
this
was a
kit
good
is.
match for his body
Whether you're
size
hosting
and
a
blood
Halloween
type.
party, decorating
Post-surgery,
pumpkins
a
with the
rigorous
kids,
regimen
or
of
looking for unique
immunosuppressive
party
drugs
favors,
and 2
these stickers have got you
antibody-based
covered.
treatments were administered to help
They're also
prevent
perfect for
organ
classroom
rejection.
projects and can add a fun
Initially, the
touch to your
transplant
Halloween-themed
appeared
crafts.
successful. Mr.
Forget about
Slayman
the
was
mess
freed
and
from the
hassle
need
of
for
traditional pumpkin
dialysis as the
carving.
new organ
With these
functioned
stickers,
effectively.
decorating pumpkins
Despite the
becomes a
promising
breeze.
start, the loss
Simply
of
peel,
Mr.
stick,
Slayman is a
and watch as your
profound
pumpkins
reminder of the
transform
risks
into
and
spooky
challenges in such
masterpieces in no
pioneering
time.
medical procedures.
So, if
Massachusetts
you're ready
General
to take your
Hospital
Halloween
expressed their
decorations to the next
condolences,
level, be sure to
emphasizing
grab
that
the
the transplant was not the
SWARKOL
cause of his
80
death.
packs Halloween
This
pumpkin
case
decorating kit today.
opens up discussions on
With
the
its endless
ethical,
possibilities and
medical, and
hassle-free application,
technological
it's sure
aspects
to
of
be a
using
hit at your
animal
next
organs
Halloween
for
gathering.
human transplants.
That's all for today's
As we
review.
continue to explore these
If you enjoyed
frontiers,
this video,
the balance
don't
of
forget to give it
risk
a
and
thumbs up and
innovation will
subscribe to
remain
Product
a key
Critique for more
concern.
honest reviews and
Thank
product
you for tuning
recommendations.
into Ultima News.
Thanks for
more
watching,
updates
and
on this
happy
story
decorating.
and other international news, make sure to subscribe